Hello, good afternoon, and this is the day two of the Europe travel tour here in Switzerland. So we just arrived. Uh, so ito yung hotel namin, and this is Zurich. Ayan. The weather is good, hindi masyadong malamig. Perfect weather. So, start na yung gala dito sa Zurich. Gala-gala.